नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी इति नामे नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे
Recording in progress, miss.
श्वेता देशकारणे
केशव
क्या?
माताजी told me no. Yes, yes.
मैम माताजी told me
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रेया
नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरत्विषे नमः।
Gauri and Tanvi together.
पञ्चतत्त्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं प्रत्यावतारं प्रत्यात्मं नमामि भक्तक्षेत्रम्।
Syashika
हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते।
very nice. Aditri Shukla
जयतं सुरतौ पङ्गोर्मम मन्दमतर्गति मत्सर्वस्य पदम्बोजौ राधामदनमोहनौ।
very nice. Sadhya
दिव्यावृन्दारण्य कल्पद्रुमद श्रीमद्रत्नाकरा सिंहासनास्त श्रीमद्राधाशील गोविन्दद प्रस्थालिभिः सेवमनौ स्मरामि।
Ahan can't hear if you're saying anything. We can't hear you, beta. Can't hear you. Okay, check your mic, beta, huh? Okay, Palvi, you can go ahead till then. Ahan, check your mic.
देवांशि वटततस्थित वैष्णवेन गोपी गोपीनाथाय श्रीकृष्णः।
Very nice. Aditri Shukla, the old elder one. Okay, Naisha.
तप्त कंचना गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरे।
Very nice. Atharva.
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद
Laksh. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Shri Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Maya ki Jai. Shri Prabhupada ki Jai. Nitai Gaur Prem. Hare Hare. Very nice. Okay, so now let's go to our Goloka chart. Okay, I am going to remove the chats. Okay, anything is there, you can unmute and tell me in case anything is going wrong. Let me show the chart. Okay, yeah. So quick recap of what we had seen. Yeah, we've seen that this is the material world. Okay, we've seen this is the material world. This is Dhur. Here we live, and this is the material world which gets destroyed over a period of time. लेकिन ऊपर जो है सारे वैकुंठा planets are here. Vaikuntha planet is here and Goloka is here. Krishna resides here in two-handed form. Okay, two-handed form. लेकिन कृष्णा यहाँ पे जो रहते हैं, he resides in four-handed form. Can someone tell me what are there in his all these four hands? Unmute and one person unmute and quickly tell. Yes,
नाम
Aditya.
शंकर
माताजी
चक्र
गदा पद्मा
Perfect, perfect, very nice. शंकर चक्र गदा पद्मा. और यहाँ पे क्या होता है उनके हाथ में?
माताजी बांसुरी
बांसुरी
बांसुरी होती है, राइट? ही हैज फ्लूट इन हिज हैंड. और यहाँ पे जो है वो सिर पे क्या पहनते हैं? कृष्णा यहाँ पे सिर पे क्या पहनते हैं? और यहाँ नीचे
मोरपंख
हाँ.
मोरपंख
और यहाँ पे क्या पहनते हैं?
मुकुट
मुकुट
मुकुट पहनते हैं. वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे जो है, कैन समवन टेल मी, लुकिंग एट दिस, what are the different every I'll give one only one rasa you to tell, huh? What there are some five six rasas. What are the different rasas which are exhibited here? कौन से rasas यहाँ पे दिखते हैं?
माताजी
वात्सल्य
साक्षरस
रस
माताजी
साक्षरस,
मसुंदा
माधुर्य रस,
माधुर्य रस,
वात्सल्य रस,
वात्सल्य रस,
साक्ष्य रस,
साक्ष्य रस हो गया, साक्ष्य, माधुर्य, वात्सल्य,
प्रेम रस,
दास्य
ललिता रस,
कौन सा?
भक्ति रस,
ललिता रस,
दास्य
रस,
दास्य
श्रृंगार
रस,
रस,
दास्य रस, दास्य रस और शांत रस. Okay, very nice. So now let me
सुचित्रा रस,
launch a poll. Let me
सुचित्रा
quickly
रस,
launch a poll. It's a very easy one. Huh?
माधुर्य
It's a very
सुचित्रा रस,
come on quickly. What does this rasas mean? Vatsalya ras means what? Sakya ras means what? And dasya ras means what? Come on, एकदम easy है. Come on,
माधुर्य
फटाफट.
सबमिटेड,
माधुर्य सबमिट,
Very nice. एकदम easy है, but I just
माताजी
want to know.
सबमिटेड,
Okay, good. Very nice.
माताजी सबमिटेड,
माताजी
सबमिटेड,
माताजी उसके नाम में ही उसका आंसर है. माताजी सबमिटेड.
फिर भी गलतियां होती है. Now when I share the results, you'll see.
माताजी मैंने
इसके
जल्दी
लिए
कर
इसके
दिया,
लिए
मैंने आंसर देखा भी नहीं मैंने क्या किया है.
अच्छा ऐसे जल्दी जल्दी कर दिया. Come on, fast, everyone, fast.
माताजी
Come
फर्स्ट
on,
वाला समझ में आया, पर बाकी
come on.
बाकी दो के मदद से पहला वाला भी समझ में गया.
Come on, everyone, fast, quickly. 80% only done. कहाँ गए बाकी सारे? जल्दी. आप तुक्का भी लगा सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. जल्दी. I'm going to end the poll now. Huh? Quickly. Come on, fast.
दिख रहा है.
अभी मैं क्या करूं? चलो, I'm going to end the poll now. Huh? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to share the results. ये देखो, इसमें भी बड़ी गलतियां हुई हैं. देखो, वात्सल्य रस इज मदर सन रिलेशनशिप, so only 75%, 79% gave it correct. Sakhya ras is friendship, again here only 73%. Sakhya is sakha, right? So sakha is friendship. और ये दास्य means सेवा करना है. Okay, सेवा is yeah, it is दास्य रस. Okay.
मिला ही नहीं मुझे.
Ganesh, you need to be on mute. Yeah, please ensure that you are on mute while you're speaking. Okay, so very good. A big hearty ball to those who have given correct answers, right? So all these rasas we saw last time. Okay, ये सारे रसा है वो यहाँ पे दिखते हैं. Like for example, you remember this Govardhan Leela. Govardhan Leela में क्या हुआ था? Govardhan Leela में Krishna picked up the entire Govardhan mountain on his little finger. Ganesh, please ensure that you are on mute. Don't unmute. Okay, beta? Yeah. So what happened in Govardhan Leela? Krishna picked up the entire Govardhan hill on his small little pinky finger on the left hand. And on his nail he picked up. Okay. Now Mother Yashoda, of course, Mother Yashoda will never believe that her son is the supreme personality of Godhead. Krishna never wanted Mother Yashoda to believe that Krishna is a supreme personality of Godhead. क्योंकि अगर उसको पता चलेगा कि ये तो भगवान है, तो अगर किसी माँ को पता चलेगा कि मेरा बेटा भगवान है, तो then that Vatsalya rasa will never be there, right? So then she told Nanda Maharaj, please, you please put your stick. He told all the gopas, he told all the gwalas, put your stick below this Govardhan hill, so that the hill can rest. So Mother Yashoda believes that the entire Govardhan hill was lifted by the sticks which were there, kept by the gwalas and Nanda Maharaj, right? So she doesn't want to believe that Krishna is God. Yeah? So वहाँ क्या है? वहाँ योग माया है. योग माया, what योग माया does? योग माया सबको भुला देती है. ये यहाँ पे गोलोका में योग माया सबको भुला देती है that Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. Yeah? क्योंकि if everyone thinks, if gopis think Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead, तो सब तो उसको ऐसे एकदम प्रणाम करेंगे, बिल्कुल एकदम सामने बैठेंगे. They will not do, they will think, oh my God, Krishna is God, we should respect him, we should just be very formal with him. Yeah? तो फिर ये सारी past times होती. Yeah, this water pastimes is there, this boat pastime which we saw, yeah, today Japa class, right? All these pastimes will never happen if they think that Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. So what they think? They think Krishna is my friend, Krishna is my lover, Krishna is my child, Krishna is my master. Like that they're thinking. Yeah, everyone wants to serve Krishna, everyone wants to love Krishna. Yeah, everyone wants to just love Krishna. They just want to forget कि नहीं, क्योंकि अगर अगर आपके घर पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर आ गए एकदम फॉर्मल इसमें, तो आप कैसे होगे, एकदम ऐसे alert ho jaoge. You will have a very formal relationship with that person. Or even if your father's boss comes, right? If your father's boss come, you will have a very you will behave very nicely. You will show that you are a very good person. Yeah, you will dress very nicely. You will offer everything very nicely. Yeah. But if your friend comes, you will not even bother to change your clothes. You will even not even bother to clean your room. But if your father's boss comes, then the entire house will be neat and clean, right? So that is the difference, right? So here they want to treat Krishna as a friend. Everyone just loves Krishna. Yeah. So this is Goloka. And because everyone loves Krishna, and Krishna also loves everyone. See, it is not one way relationship. कि नहीं बस मैं ही तुमको लव करूंगा और तुम मुझे लव नहीं करो. In the sense that you will not love me. It is not like that, right? Because Krishna loves everyone, that is why everyone loves Krishna, right? तुम्हारे स्कूल में भी टीचर होती होगी, या टीचर है तो you some teachers are very favorite teachers of yours, right? And why is that very favorite? Because you have a very nice relationship with the teacher. Yeah, because she also talks with you very nicely. You also talk with her very nicely. It's like a reciprocation, right? So it is even with Krishna. It is not that everyone wants to serve Krishna. ऐसे नहीं होता है कि नहीं I will serve Krishna and Krishna will say, oh I am God. You are my servants. Serve me. तुम्हारी सेवा करना मेरा काम, मेरी सेवा करना तुम्हारा काम है. Yeah, Krishna doesn't say like that. He is having this fun time with all his devotees, right? So like that, all the leelas are happening. Aghasur Leela is happening. Bakasur Leela is happening. Yeah, Shaktasur Leela is happening. Yeah, all these leelas are happening. But what is happening? No one thinks Krishna is God. Everything. Mother Yashoda thinks no. Gargamuni has said that this child is special child and Vishnu will protect the child. No, Gargamuni knew that he is not an ordinary child, but Yogamaya, make them forget everything that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Right? Now coming to the next abode. Here we saw, right? After this, there is Mathura, there is Jagannath Puri, there is Dwarka, right? Now,
Actually, I have a
because there
doubt.
is, I'll take doubts. Okay, just give me 10 minutes, then I'll take the doubts. See what this is this now this Mathura, this Jagannath Puri. There here also there is Jagannath Puri, and there in the spiritual world is also there Jagannath Puri. So just imagine, we are so fortunate. We are so fortunate that we have taken birth in India, right? This place is a holy dham. Entire India is in holy dham. और ये होली धाम में ये सारे है, जगन्नाथपुरी है, अयोध्या है, मथुरा है. सो वी हैव हियर आल्सो जस्ट दैट. हम लोग उसको अपनी मटेरियल आइज से देखते तो हमको गंदगी दिखती है. अरे ये देखो कितने गंदे रास्ते हैं, अरे देखो कितने पॉट होल्स है, राइट? बिकॉज वी सी विथ आवर मटेरियल आइज. बट दीज आर नॉट ऑर्डिनरी प्लेसेस. Here Krishna resides eternally in that particular form. So these are not ordinary places, right? Now if you see here, if we come down to Ayodhya. तो ये हमने देखा था, right? Krishna expands as ये Vasudev, Anirudh, Pradyumna and Sankarshan, right? This is all what we've seen. Yeah. Now here Krishna further expands. Yeah. This four Chaturviha, they expands as Ram, Lakshman, Shatrughna, and so all this, yeah, Krishna expands as Bharat and Shatrughna. Yeah. So here we saw, right? Here we saw that there is all love. That is all love. But here in Ayodhya में क्या है? Which rasa is there in Ayodhya? Can someone tell me?
Dasya ras.
Dasya
Dasya ras. Right? You remember?
Dasya
Even when Ram was supposed to go to Vanvas, Lakshman said, no, I will also come with you. And Rama wanted, what will you come and do with me? He said, I will serve you. I will only serve you. So Lakshman did not, you all know, right? Lakshman did not sleep for 14 years. Yeah? Day and night he did not sleep for 14 years. And Lakshman's wife used to sleep for 14 years so that Lakshman can sleep, and Lakshman can recoup his sleep, right? Lakshman did not eat for those many days. Yeah. So why? Because if he falls asleep, then he'll not be able to take care of the Lord, of Lord Ram. Yeah. Now you would never see Hanuman having nice lunch with Lord Ram, right? उधर उधर हमने इधर तो देखा था सब वाले लोग, all the friends of Krishna, they're having nice lunch with Krishna. They don't bother. अपना जूता भी खिला देंगे कृष्णा को, है ना? कृष्णा ये देखो, ये बहुत अच्छा है, मैंने खा के देखा, आप खाओ। ऐसा होगा अयोध्या में? ऐसा नहीं होगा, राइट? अयोध्या में इट लाइक all dasis, everyone wants to serve Krishna, wants to serve Lord Ram in whatever way. Yeah? ऐसे झूठा खिलाएंगे अयोध्या में? ना 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 ना। Yeah? So it is that is Ayodhya is all dasya ras. Now this dasya ras is further, um, gets a little deeper here. In this Vaikuntha planet, in this particular planet, Krishna is served with awe and reverence. मतलब सुबह उठेंगे, कृष्णा अच्छे से बात लेंगे, then they will offer nice prayers to the Lord. They will glorify the Lord with different prayers. They will offer nice bhoga to the Lord. They will dress the Lord very nicely. Yeah, Lord also will be there with all ornaments. यहाँ पे आपने ऊपर देखा
जी
होगा
मेस मतलब
क्या?
मेस मतलब
मेज?
I mean the side is given MACE mace.
हाँ ठीक है, those are all the weapons which are there, weapons in the personified form. ठीक है, we'll come to that. So यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे कृष्णा है तो so please don't ask questions in between. You raise your hand, I'll take you up because my link breaks. Yeah. So यहाँ पे what happens is Krishna is worshipped in a very respectful way. Okay, जैसे आपके father के boss घर पे आएंगे, you will not be very casual with them, right? You will take water, you will offer them water, then you will offer them something, some nice food to eat. Yeah, and everything will be very formal, right? ऐसे नहीं कि फ्रेंड आ गया तो ठीक है ना, जा तू अंदर से पानी ले ले, मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, तो अंदर जा किचन में जा पानी ले ले। It's not like that. It's very formal thing. Yeah. Lord is also served very nicely in proper plates. Lord is offered the bhoga. Nice garlands are made, and Lord is offered proper nice garlands. Yeah. So all these things very in a very formal way. So Krishna expands as Shankarshan, Balram expands as Sankarshan, Sankarshan expands as Vishnu. Okay. So here Lord is served in a very formal way. Right? We heard the story of the Gopakumar, right? You remember that Gopakumar who had come from Vrindavan and he landed in Vaikuntha planets. And he said, oh Krishna, how are you? And they were like, shh, what are you doing? Yeah, this is Krishna. This is not your friend. He is Lord. So here in this Vaikuntha planet, Krishna shows that I am the creator. I am I am the king. Yeah, I am the maintainer. Yeah, I am the source of everything. So Krishna is worshipped that in that way, right? So in South India, I don't know if the Srirangam temple that is always mentioned. Yeah, that Srirangam temple, I heard that it is made in the form of the entire Vaikuntha planet. Yeah, the big, huge entrance, and then there are like 8 gates from 4 sides, and then the Lord is there in the center. Yeah, here Lord is sitting on in the center of this thing. You'll see Lord is sitting on a nice. So there's a nice palace here. Lord is sitting on a big nice throne. राइट? यहाँ पे ऊपर तो कृष्णा बस अपने ये फॉरेस्ट से वो फॉरेस्ट बस घूम रहे हैं, भटक रहे हैं, टाइम पास कर रहे हैं, यहाँ सबके साथ खेल रहे हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ पे वैकुंठा प्लेनेट में इट इज वेरी फॉर्मल। देन दिस इज महालक्ष्मी। ये कौन है? महालक्ष्मी है। एंड महालक्ष्मी expands thousands and thousands of Lakshmis. Okay, so there are thousands and thousands of goddess of fortune who are serving Vishnu and Mahalakshmi. Okay, so there is Lakshmi and there is Mahalakshmi. Okay, so eight principal gopis which we saw here. Sorry, 8 principal gopis which we saw here in the first world. Yeah, this first world we saw 8 principal gopis. These 8 principal gopis, they expand as 8 principal queens in the Vaikuntha planet. Yeah, see Satya, Ishna, Vimla, Utkarshini, Prabhi. Yeah, so they all expands into uh, 8 principal queens. Yeah? Then here also, so I'll not go into too much detail. Then this. When you see a Jai Vijay, they are guarding the gates of Vaikuntha planet. So on the four sides, there are different guards. Yeah, Jai Vijay we can see here. Then on the top we see um, Jai Vijay are here, no? Yeah, here we see Dhata and Vidhata. Then here we see Chanda and Prachanda. Yeah, they are all guarding they are all guarding the Vaikuntha planets. Bhadra and Shubhadra, right? Then here we see all the Dasha avatars, yeah, all the main avatars. Yeah, you see here. Krishna is also again incarnation, which is showed here in his original form. So Krishna is there. Then what is there? Buddha is there. Then you see Kalki is there. Matsya avatar, all the principal avatars. Kurma avatar is there. Varaha avatar is there. Narsimha avatar is there. Yeah, Vaman avatar is there. Yeah, so all the different avatars you see in this, these are principal avatars. You will also see here Lord Ganesha. Okay, Lord Ganesha is also there. One minute, let me find. Yeah, Indra is there. Yeah, then Ganesha is also there. One minute, let me search. Where is Ganesha? Agni is
they are in
there.
the opposite
Mataji,
side.
he is in the left side top.
Left side, see Saraswati is there.
Mataji,
And
Lakshmi is there.
Lakshmi is there. Rama is
Yes,
there.
Mataji.
See Ganesha here. Ganesha is there. Right?
Mataji, Rama
But
is
but
also
but
there.
understand one thing. These are not this is not the Ganesha which is there in the material world. ओके हमारे मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में जो गणेशा है वो अलग है, वो एक जीव तत्व है, वो डेमीगॉड है। लेकिन यहाँ पे जो गणेशा है, दीज आर ऑल इटर्नल एसोसिएट्स ऑफ गॉड। सो दुर्गा, गणेशा, सूर्य, इंद्र, या दे आर ऑल इटर्नल एसोसिएट ऑफ द लॉर्ड। दे स्टे यूर इन दिस वैकुंठा प्लैनेट्स इटर्नली। तो कृष्णा क्या करते हैं कि जब भी मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में दिस जीवास आर गिवन द पोस्ट कि तुम ठीक है, तुम गणेशा का पोस्ट ले लो, तुम इंदिरा का पोस्ट ले लो, तुम दुर्गा का पोस्ट ले लो। या सो कृष्णा डजंट वांट टू फॉरगेट ऑल ऑफ देम। या सो कृष्णा गिव्स देम द सेम नेम्स कि ठीक है, गणेशा का ही पोस्ट दे दिया, इसका ही पोस्ट दे दिया, राइट? लाइक वी हैव दिस सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट। इन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो वी हैव डिफरेंट मिनिस्ट्रीज, राइट? वी हैव डिफरेंट मिनिस्ट्रीज। वैसे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में डिफरेंट मिनिस्ट्रीज है, लेकिन नाम सेम ही है। ओके, तो वैसा ही वहां पे गणेशा, यहाँ पे जो गणेशा है, ये स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड के गणेशा है। हमारे जो गणेशा है वो डेमिगॉड है, वो अलग है। यहाँ पे जो दुर्गा है वो अलग है। ओके, सो दे आर नॉट दी सेम। दिस गणेशा एम्पावर्स द गणेशा इन द इंटरनल इन द मटेरियल वर्ल्ड टू डू अ पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग। ओके, तो वैसा। Okay, then there are these different weapons. Yeah, conch is there, disc is there, club is there. Yeah, then what is there? Sword is there. These are all persons, huh? So ये जो है ये bow, these are all persons. Mace, these are all persons. They are all weapons of the Lord. लेकिन everything in the spiritual world is person. Okay, everything. The Vedas are also person. The weapons are also person. Everything in the spiritual world is person. Okay. Then you see a tridents. यहाँ पे आपने देखा था सारे tridents. These tridents are all all in the spiritual world. ये जो ऊपर वाला है ये सारा spiritual world है। और ये जो पूरा light जो आ रहा है, this is all light, ब्रह्म ज्योति, right? So ब्रह्म ज्योति is effulgence coming from the spiritual planets and from the body of Krishna. Okay, इतना इतना light है, इतना light है, इतना light है कि you will not be able to see anything. Yeah, so but only the spiritual people in the spiritual world will be able to see. It's like that, that so if you see Brahma Jyoti mein, the Mayavadis and all, they think that okay, Krishna is light, right? Many times we hear people saying no, Krishna doesn't have a form. कृष्णा को फॉर्म नहीं है, कृष्णा लाइट है। भगवान क्या है? लाइट है। लेकिन भगवान लाइट नहीं है, भगवान हैज अ सोर्स। द लाइट हैज अ सोर्स, एंड व्हाट इज द सोर्स? द सोर्स इज कृष्णा। Okay, and then someone says no, I want to get merged in light. Yeah, so who gets merged in light? Yeah, we saw Kamsa को जब भी मारा तो क्या हुआ? Kamsa got merged in Krishna. रावणा को जब भी मारा तो क्या हो गया? रावणा got merged in Krishna. शिशुपाल को जब भी मारा तो शिशुपाल got merged in Krishna. लेकिन अर्जुना, did Arjuna get merged in Krishna? No. Did Yudhishthir get merged in Krishna? No. So devotees of the Lord, they don't get merged in Krishna. Because they believe in Krishna and they don't want to go to, they believe a beautiful form of Krishna and then we want to spend time in Krishna and with Krishna. And because these demons were killed by Krishna, that is why they got merged into Krishna. They got merged into Brahma Jyoti.
Mataji, Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu.
Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu were to Jai Vijay, no. So they were different. They were not demons. They were given those three lifetimes.
Mataji, they didn't get merged in Krishna.
No, of course not. They didn't get merged in
Mataji,
Krishna.
Ravana is also one of the forms, no?
Yeah, Ravana is also one of the form, but yes, you are right. Maybe for that depiction it was showed, even Shishupal for that matter. Yes, for that depiction it was showed. But the thing is, the message here which the Shastras wants to give us is that Krishna is not light, and the idea is not that we should merge in Krishna. Yeah, the idea is not we should merge in Krishna. The idea is that we should, we should have a target that we should go back home, back to
Why
Goloka with
did
Krishna.
Ravana and Shishupal get merged in Krishna?
Yeah, so Ravana and Shishupal, it was shown just to depict that, yes, you're right, that Jai Vijay also, yeah, all these things, all the demons, they got merged into Krishna. So yes, you're right, Swara. But it was mainly to show that, the idea is that for us to learn the lesson that the devotees of the Lord, they basically don't merge. Devotees of the Lord has a different mood. Devotees of the Lord has a mood to spend time with Krishna, to serve Krishna.
Mataji, they'd go to Vaikuntha or Goloka.
No, your Jai Vijay were in Vaikuntha only. They didn't go to Goloka.
Mataji, I'm talking about other devotees like Arjuna.
Yeah. No, devotees like Arjuna and all that also, they are eternally, doing pastimes in some universe or the other. Yeah. So they are very busy. It's not like that they are having fun. They're very busy having pastimes with Krishna. So when Krishna performs pastimes in any universe, his entire entourage and his entire entourage goes there. Right? So जैसे when Mother Earth was suffering and she said that she went to Brahma and when Brahma took to them to Vishnu, then Vishnu said that he told all the demigods, Karnadatchi Vishnu, yeah, he told that all the demigods you appear in this whatever Gokul Vrindavan, so please appear there and I will come in two-handed form. So whenever Krishna performs some pastimes, he goes with his entourage. All his devotees go there now to perform the pastime. So of
Mataji,
course
they come
Arjuna,
in some
also
or
of
the
course,
other form.
sorry,
They come in some or the other form.
yeah, they participate in the pastimes of Krishna.
Mataji,
Okay.
when the whole universe was seen by Yashoda in Krishna's mouth, did Yogmaya make her forget?
Yeah, of course, Yogamaya. In the material world, it is Mahamaya, and in the spiritual world, it is Yogamaya. So Yogamaya made her forget, because if Yashoda remembers, then there is a problem. Then she'll say, "अरे यार, ये तो मुझे प्यार ही नहीं करती है, तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करती है." तो Arjuna will get, so Krishna will get very sad. क्या मजा नहीं आ रहा है? No, let me forget. Let me make her forget that way. Okay. Okay. 3 minutes for questions. If anyone has any questions, quickly.
Mataji, then was Krishna means Yogamaya made Krishna forget, Yashoda Maya forget, no? Then they were present in that time in material world, right? On the earth where we stay now.
Yeah, they came, they performed their pastimes, and then they went away. So it's like they come. Yeah, it's like they're eternally doing all the leelas. Somewhere or the other, in different universes, they're doing the leelas. So they come, they perform the leelas, and then they go away.
Mataji, it has to be Mahamaya, na, when
Acha, one second. No, Yogamaya is one who makes forget. Mahamaya is in
Mataji,
the
because it
material
was
world.
they were all on the material world.
But material world it is Mahamaya is for the jivas, not for the eternal associates of the Lord. Mahamaya makes us forget, not Krishna's eternal devotees.
Mataji,
Yeah, yes, Yashika.
Mataji, I just wanted to ask about the shloka, Mataji. Am I supposed to say like only the
Ashika,
Shloka.
right question at wrong time. I'll take your question later, not now.
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji, here in the Vaikuntha, the last is Pundarika. Who is that?
Pundarika. Pundarika is, these are, different associates of the Lord doing different, functions. I need to check about what is the function of Pundarika. They are also one of the Dwarpals, but I need to check on this Pundarika. This thing is
Okay.
not a little very technical. So I do not know the 100% of it, but I have a good flavor of it. But a lot of technical
Mataji,
details, if you ask me, I'll have to, do a little research because these answers are not easily available. Basically, even for this chart to be made by the devotees, they refer to so many Puranas and so many, scriptures to even make this. So it is not that you get clear answers, if you have a problem and if you search it on Google search and you find it, you'll not get very clear answers. So it's very little technical. Okay. Yes. Anyone else?
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji, I can't switch on my camera because you disabled the.
Because you were sleeping. That is why I disabled your camera. See, Krishna wouldn't like, right? Krishna would want, see, am I sleeping and giving the class? No, na. Yes. So you sit nicely, attentively.
Mataji,
Krishna
I
wants us
wasn't
to attend.
sleeping,
Yeah.
Mataji.
So sit nicely and attentively. Okay. Any other question?
Mataji, I wasn't sleeping.
Sorry.
Mataji, I wasn't sleeping.
I saw you lying down, and that is why I
Mataji,
switched
I
on.
was sleeping with the pillow back because it
Okay,
was
okay,
the
okay.
wall
Take
was.
it, take it, take it. Take it, take it. No worries, no worries. Now you can switch on. Okay. Okay. Yes. Any other question?
Mataji,
Yes. Last three questions. Then we move on. Come on. Yes.
No, Mataji.
in the end of Kali Yuga, only one state, only one, one city will remain, Vrindavan.
No, 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 no. I will tell you. I'll tell you. On annihilation, what happens, I will tell you. Destruction में क्या होता है? I'll let you know. Okay, when we go to the material world, I'll tell you. Yes,
Bhadra.
1 second, Swara, 1 second. Let us hear from others. Just hold on. Let us hear from others. Yes, quickly. Anyone else?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
There, in this chart, there is one big circle, and after that, there are 8 names written. That's Satya and
These are the eight principal queens. Eight principal queens of the Lord.
Mataji. Okay. Mataji,
Ah,
did Barbaric merge with Krishna?
who?
Did Barbaric merge with Krishna?
Barbaric. I will have to check on that pastime. I am not too sure. I don't remember that pastime. I'll have to see the pastime. Okay.
Mataji, what
I'll
are the
check and I'll
two
let you know.
mantras on
Nishant,
the
you just
side?
message me. I'll check and I'll let you know. Yes, yes, Swara. Last
Mataji, what
question,
are the
then we move ahead.
two mantras in the side? Om Krishna Rakshashaya Namah and Om Ram Agnaye Namah.
Where is that? Where can you see
Mataji
those?
is bit low.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Those through Trishuls.
I need to check on that. Yeah. So this is very little very technical. So I don't know why
Mataji,
why
there
these
are many
mantras are
people around the Vaikuntha planet, Vamana, Bhadra, Subhadra, Pundarika. All of those are gods.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So they are all guarding, and these are also planets. So even if you see, these borders are also spiritual planets. Okay. So this Sarvanetra again, this is one of the one of the personified planet. This Supratishta again, they are on the different corners, and these are also
Mataji,
planets.
what
These
type
are the
of people
planets.
go in
These
those
are the planets,
planets?
and these are the predominating deities there in different planets. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's move down. Okay. So now Brahma Jyoti, So let me launch a poll. Okay. Let me launch a poll. 1 second. Okay. Here is the poll. . अगर आपने अच्छे से सुना होगा तो आप ये बराबर से आंसर करोगे। ओके, आपने अगर अच्छे से सुना नहीं होगा अभी तक तो नहीं आंसर कर पाओगे। ठीक है, तो नाउ लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वर अटेंटिव। ओके, सो 1 2 3 एंड हियर यू गो, कम ऑन। अच्छे से सुना होगा तो आपको समझ, देन यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर। ओके, let me see how many of you are attentive. Come on, come on, come on, come
Submitted.
on. Okay,
Mataji
I am
submitted.
just seeing how many of you are
Submitted
attentive.
times in the class.
Mataji submitted.
Oh my God.
Mataji, it is very easy.
Okay.
Mataji,
The results are
Mataji, in the
shocking.
class itself, you have told this many times in the regular
Yeah,
classes.
but the results are very shocking.
Mataji, it is very easy.
But the results are very shocking. When I share the results, you will come to know. Okay, now I'm going to end the poll. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you will be shocked to see the results. Like say 50-50, or it's like
Mataji,
almost 50-50% answers. Aren't the results shocking? The devotees don't live in Brahma Jyoti. What is Brahma Jyoti? Okay, so okay, everyone remember these answers, okay? Now let me ask another poll. Okay, let me launch another poll. Hold on. I
That
am
was true.
shocked and surprised. Please listen carefully.
Mataji, that was truly shocking.
yes, Mataji.
Mataji, but more like the more people have selected the correct answer.
But it is like close to 50-50%, no?
Yes.
So that is shocking, right? Wait a
Yes.
second.
Might
So
be
let
one.
me clear the doubt, okay?
Mataji, it's so easy, Mataji.
Okay, let me clear this. Let me see, okay? What do you know about? Come on, I'm just launching this poll. See, आपका concepts ना थोड़ा clear होना चाहिए, मोटा मोटा concept clear होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि you want to go to technical, लेकिन मोटा मोटा concept clear होना चाहिए. What happened? Why is this not getting? अच्छा, it's already sharing. I have to stop sharing. Okay, okay, come on. 1 2 3, and here I launch. Come on, everyone, huh? Everyone.
Mataji submitted. This was also very easy.
This was also very easy, Mataji.
But let us see.
I missed it, Mataji.
I don't want to be shocked with the results. I don't want to be shocked with the
Mataji, this
results.
also I have explained many times in the
Ma'am, shocking results.
Submitted,
Okay,
Mataji.
no problem, no problem. Let us clear the doubts. No problem. It is okay. Just hear it little attentively, okay? No problem. Come on, everyone. A few of you are left. Quickly, come on, fast. Quickly, quickly. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, come on. I'm going to end the poll. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here. So these results are encouraging. So this is good. Okay, so Brahma Jyoti, you all know, it is light coming from the body of Krishna and spiritual planets. Okay, so this is very clear. Okay, now so a big haribol to all the kids. This is the correct answer. ये जो 10 बच्चे हैं ना, देखो ये लाइट जो है ना, दिस इज ब्रह्म ज्योति। ये बाजू जो लाइट दिख रहा है ना, ये ब्रह्म ज्योति है। ये पूरा लाइट लाइट ये ब्रह्म ज्योति है। ओके, एंड ये स्पिरिचुअल प्लैनेट, दीज आर द स्पिरिचुअल प्लैनेट्स, वैकुंठा प्लैनेट एंड गोलोका। ओके, but now let me launch one more poll for this 10 kids, but everyone can answer. Okay, so this is correct. So this is how you clear your understanding. Okay, so एक second, let me launch one more. Okay,
Mataji, the borders are also Brahma Jyoti.
नहीं borders कैसे ब्रह्म ज्योति होंगे? Borders are borders, no? Outside borders it is so light coming from a bulb. Light is light, bulb is bulb. कम ऑन, ये तो
So
एकदम
Mataji,
इजी है, ये तो एकदम इजी है, ये तो आई तो हियर तो आई शुड गेट 100% ना,
Mataji submitted.
हियर तो आई
submitted
शुड गेट
Mataji.
100%.
Mataji
Submitted
submitted.
answer before you question.
Mataji submit.
Okay, okay, good, very nice. So this is very encouraging. This is really very encouraging.
Yes,
फिर भी
Mataji.
थोड़े
And Mataji
हाँ,
submitted before the question
हाँ,
only.
before I launched, you submitted, good. Okay, few kids, come on, fast, fast. Jaldi, 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 jaldi. Okay, चलो. Okay, and I'm going to end the poll. Okay, I'm not going to wait. देखो, अभी देखो ये करेक्ट है. ओके, ये वैकुंठा प्लैनेट्स और वैकुंठा एंड गोलोका स्पिरिचुअल प्लैनेट, राइट? नाउ लेट्स गो टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वेयर मेनी किड्स मेड मिस्टेक. ओके, या why I'm not able to share the results? Such a poll is being shared. I will stop sharing. Okay. View results, share results. Okay. So Brahma Jyoti में ना, see the devotees, if you see here, devotees are staying here. Okay, here also devotees are staying. Here all the devotees are staying. So even if you see here that there is Vaman, there is there is Varaha, still there are all devotees who are worshipping Krishna with awe and reverence. सो ब्रह्म ज्योति में डिवोटीज नहीं रहते, वैकुंठा प्लैनेट्स में डिवोटीज रहते हैं, ये वैकुंठा में डिवोटीज रहते हैं, गोलोका में डिवोटीज रहते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो है, यहाँ पे वॉन्डरिंग सोल्स रहते हैं, जो कृष्णा के फॉर्म में बिलीव ही नहीं करते. उनको लगता है कि कृष्णा को फॉर्म ही नहीं है, कृष्णा लाइट है, एंड बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट कृष्णा इज लाइट, दैट इज वाई दे डोंट डिजायर ओनली कि हमको जाना है वैकुंठा प्लैनेट्स. दे थिंक कृष्णा इज लाइट एंड आई वांट टू मर्ज विथ कृष्णा. इसके लिए वो लाइट में रहते हैं. जैसे हम डिजायर करेंगे ये यथामम प्रपद्यन्ते, जैसे हम डिजायर करेंगे वैसे कृष्णा will sanction our desire. So now our desire is to merge in Brahma Jyoti. So those people will merge in Brahma Jyoti, but they are not devotees of Krishna. Remember, people going in Brahma Jyoti, they are pious souls. इसके लिए वो मटेरियल वर्ल्ड से तो निकल तो गए, यहाँ से निकल गए, यहाँ पे लैंड किया, बट दे आर नॉट डिवोटीज ऑफ कृष्णा. ओके,
But
ये क्लियर
Mataji,
हो गया?
Ravan and Shishupal were not pious.
Now I'm going to launch this poll again. Okay, poll number 13. I'm going to relaunch the poll. Come on, let us see ये अभी क्या होता है. Now let us see the answers. Come on, quickly.
Submitted,
अभी तो please, I expect. हाँ, अभी कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए.
Submitted.
Mataji आए.
Mataji
submitted. I am really
Mataji
very
answered the question before the question only.
okay, good.
Mataji submitted.
Okay, अभी ये सही है. Okay, 90% have now given correct answers. ये 5 को पता नहीं क्यों गड़बड़ हो गया, लेकिन devotees they don't stay in Brahma Jyoti. Devotees stays in this Vaikuntha planets. अभी clear है सबको?
yes,
Right?
Mataji.
Okay,
Yes, Mataji.
okay, ठीक है, good, very nice.
Mataji, Ravan and Shishupal were not pious.
Sorry, Mataji.
Oh
I
my
made it
God,
wrong.
you are not going beyond Ravan and Shishupal. What happened with Ravan and Shishupal?
Mataji, they also went in Brahma Jyoti to merge with Krishna.
Okay, चलो now let's move ahead. Okay, so ये सारा clear हो गया. वैकुंठ see here, no, here जो devotees को, जो सारे devotees को, right, they want to worship Krishna like South Indians. If you see, they will worship with very proper, उनका एक proper आरती plate होगा, proper आरती करेंगे, proper prayers बोलेंगे. You will always see, all these things happening in South India, right? So even in big temples, right, they will have proper aarti plate, and they will have proper, everything will be very very in discipline. और गोलोका में कुछ डिसिप्लिन नहीं है, वैकुंठा में एकदम डिसिप्लिन है. तो जो जिनका जैसे डिजायर होता है, द वे यू वांट टू वर्शिप लॉर्ड, लॉर्ड मैनिफेस्ट अकॉर्डिंगली, राइट? तो वैसे ही तो यहाँ पे भी सारे डिवोटीज है, सारे डिवोटीज. सो आप जो सारे डिवोटीज हो, जैसे आपका मूड होगा, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर मूड, आइदर यू विल गो टू वैकुंठा और यू विल गो टू गोलोका. सो अगर स्वरा को कृष्णा के साथ खेलना है, तो स्वरा विल गो टू गोलोका. लेकिन कृष्ण चैतन्य को, कृष्णा को अच्छे से वर्शिप करना है, तो कृष्ण चैतन्य विल गो टू वैकुंठा. इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
Okay, now we are leaving the spiritual planets. Okay, ये हम लोग spiritual planet छोड़ के we are now going to go into the material planets. Okay.
Mataji,
Now, yeah. Yes, beta.
can you repeat the explanation once more?
Which explanation?
That Goloka and Vaikuntha planet.
Okay. Okay. So if Atharva wants to worship Krishna or wants to play with Krishna a lot. Okay, he just wants to play with Krishna and wants to have fun with Krishna. Atharva will go to Goloka. But if Rohan wants to worship Krishna, wants to do Aarti of Krishna every day, wants to chant prayers for Krishna, wants to make proper bhoga offerings to Krishna. So Rohan wants to, worship Krishna. He also loves Krishna. So Rohan also loves Krishna. Atharva also loves Krishna. But Atharva wants to play with Krishna. And Rohan wants to worship very properly, ekdam, properly dressed. He will take bath. He will wear proper nice clothes, dhoti voti पहन के अच्छे से worship करेंगे. So then he'll go to which place?
Mataji, but
Vaikuntha.
ones who want to go to Goloka, play with Krishna, also have to chant and worship Krishna.
हाँ, but the love is different, no? Love is different. No, see, you love your father also and you love your mother also. But you will be little formal with your father and you will be very casual with your mother, right?
Yes.
No, it's not that you will love your mother more than your father, right? You love both of them very equally. You love both of them. But with your father, you will be little formal. With your mother, you will be like very casual. Same way. Okay, understood? Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So father is like Vaikuntha planet, mother is like Goloka. Okay, just to make it simple for all of you. सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay,
Mataji.
okay, good.
I'll call your father. No, I'll directly call your mother.
Sorry. Okay. Any questions for 1 minute? 2, 3 questions I will take if you have any. Otherwise, we move to the material world.
Mataji, no more questions to me.
Okay, good. चलो. So let's move to the material world now. Okay. Yeah. So अभी इसके नीचे ये ब्रह्म ज्योति है. ये ब्रह्म ज्योति के नीचे मटेरियल. अच्छा मैंने एक नहीं बोला आपको. ब्रह्म ज्योति is all covered by milk. ब्रह्म ज्योति नहीं. All this Vaikuntha planets are covered by milk ocean. Okay. So milk ocean is coming from that milk ocean. Okay. Ocean. हम जो ocean देखते हैं यहाँ पे वो खारे पानी का ocean होता है. That is all milk ocean and they're all milk coming overflowing from Surgi cows. Okay. Now in this material world, हम सारे जीवास बहुत ढेर सारे. ओके. सो 10% ऑफ द जीवास जिनको कृष्णा के साथ बगावत कर दिया कि नहीं कृष्णा तेरे साथ नहीं रहना है, क्यों मैं तेरी पूजा करूं, क्यों मैं तेरी आरती करूं, नहीं रहना मुझे तेरे साथ, मुझे भी अपनी जिंदगी जीनी है. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू हैव फ्रीडम, आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू लिव माई लाइफ, आई हैव माई ओन चॉइसेस. तो कृष्णा के साथ बगावत कर दिया. और वो 10% ऑफ जो जो जीवा है हम जैसे कृष्णा से बगावत कर दिए. हम आ गए यहाँ पे मटीरियल वर्ल्ड में. ओके. तो ये मटेरियल वर्ल्ड, हाउ इज दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड क्रिएटेड? ओके. नाउ लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. दिस 5-10 minutes इज गोइंग टू बी लिटिल टेक्निकल, लेकिन आप सबको एकदम अच्छे से ध्यान से सुनना है. या बिकॉज वी शुड नो वेयर वी आर इन दिस ओवरऑल स्कीम ऑफ थिंग्स. हमारा पोजिशन क्या है हमको पता होना चाहिए. ओके. सो नाउ see, we saw this, right? We saw Sankarshan expanding. Now Sankarshan, he expands as Mahavishnu. He expands as Karnodayakshi Vishnu. Okay. Karnodayakshi Vishnu, ये सारे universes जो create होते हैं, but Karnodayakshi Vishnu, he exhales. तभी millions and millions of universes comes out from the pores of his body. You know, right? हमारे body पे बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी pores होते हैं, right? So from his body billions and millions of universes comes out. तो हमको लगता है कि हमारा एक ही अर्थ है और बाकी कुछ है ही नहीं. लेकिन ऐसा एक अर्थ नहीं है, बहुत सारे. मतलब आपने मस्टर्ड को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? राई. राई पता है ना? राई. राई का सीड का साइज क्या होता है? छोटू सा होता है ना, इतू सा होता है. आपने अगर देखा होगा तो यार राई का सीड छोटू सा होता है. ऐसे राई राई के सीड्स के जैसे मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ यूनिवर्सेस कम्स आउट ऑफ द बॉडी. But just imagine that is so small. That is so small. And these millions of universes are floating. Where are they floating? They are floating on this Karna ocean. अगर आप grapes, अगर आप एक बड़ा बड़ा ये लोगे क्या? If you take a big pot and you'll put water in it और उसके grapes डालोगे, आप बहुत सारे grapes डाल दिए, बहुत सारे grapes डाल दिए. छोटा सा pot है, बहुत सारे grapes डाल दिया. तो क्या होगा? Grapes will float on the water, right? You see that grapes is floating on the water. Similarly, all these universes are floating on the Karna ocean. Okay. So there is and in that small little universe, there is small little tiny earth, and on the small little tiny earth, there is very small little India, and the small little India, we are somewhere in Hyderabad, somewhere in Bombay, somewhere in whatever Assam, yeah, we are somewhere in Delhi, Noida, somewhere here there, and the small little tiny place, we are there. Now just imagine where Krishna is and what is our position. We are so tiny, we are so tiny, we are so tiny. Yeah. So what happens is that because we revolted, no, I want to stay alone. So Krishna said, okay, I will create a world for you wherein you will go and enjoy for some time. Okay. So from this body of Krishna, millions and millions of universes comes out. Okay.
Mataji,
And then
material earth comes out from his body.
no, listen. Now, no, not material world comes out. So listen. For 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, this is little technical, but listen very carefully, okay? So from the body of Krishna, Mahavishnu, millions and millions of universes comes out. And when this millions of universes comes out, now when we leave our body, we don't, what leaves the body? Come on, what leaves the body when we leave? Let me launch this poll now. Let me see. Because this is also important. Let me see. Okay, I'm launching a poll, okay? Because this is very important to understand. इफ यू ये छोटी छोटी चीजें आपको ध्यान में आ गई ना यू विल बी वेरी दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नॉलेज दैट वी शुड हैव come on I'm launching this poll. This is very important. What when the body leaves, what leaves? 1 2 3 and I launch the poll. Come on.
Submitted. This was very easy.
Mataji submitted. It was a
You
bit
have told a
difficult.
story also about this. Mataji,
Yeah.
Japa session, you have told a story also about this.
Acha, I told the
Mataji, it
story.
was
I
a
don't
bit
remember which story
difficult.
I said.
Yes, Mataji, you have told.
Acha.
Mataji, submit.
Okay, good. I'm going to end the
थोड़ा सा
poll now.
टफ
Okay.
था.
थोड़ा सा टफ था. आंसर से लग रहा है मुझे.
नहीं माताजी.
आंसर से लग रहा है मुझे थोड़ा टफ था. देखो जब भी व्हेन वी लीव आवर बॉडी नो हैव यू सीन ट्विंस. हमने देखा ट्विंस रहते हैं ना ट्विंस. लेकिन दोनों ट्विंस का जो स्वभाव है वो सेम रहता है क्या? नहीं रहता. एक ट्विन शायद
मैम
पानी से बहुत डरता रहेगा. एक ट्विन से मे भी पानी से एकदम फ्री रहेगा. एक बच्चा एकदम गुस्से वाला रहेगा. एक एकदम पीसफुल रहेगा.
माता जी मैं ट्विन
You are twin, okay. Right? So Bhargav and Bhavik are twins. Yeah. But Bhargav is different. Bhavik is different. Why?
we too also.
Yes,
Acha
yes,
ji.
Mataji, but I am not the twin.
Okay, good. So there are
Yes,
many
Mataji,
twins.
me and my sister.
Yeah, okay. So there are many twins. That is nice. Okay. So see the thing is when we leave our body, why everyone is different? Yeah, if someone is good at arts, someone is very good at maths, someone is good at science, someone is very good at biology. Why? Because that was our desire that we wanted to do this. And eventually Krishna granted us
Yeah, I
intelligence.
gave answer as soul and desires.
Yeah. So our desire, so when we leave the body, the soul and the desires, both they leave the body. Okay, it is not only the soul. So we carry our impressions. कभी कभी ना आपको पता होगा कि किसी को ना पानी से बहुत डर लगता है और किसी को पानी से बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगता. Because there it could be something to do with the previous life. Yeah. Because when we get a body, our desires, जो भी हमारे desires थे, those come along with the body. Okay. So when Mahavishnu, he creates this universe, he looks at Ramadevi, all the jivas are sitting here, okay? We were all sitting here. And then he looks at Ramadevi and, no, jivas are not sitting here. The desires are sitting here. All the desires, matlab, नायशा का जो डिजायर होगा, नमिश का जो डिजायर होगा, सानवी का डिजायर, याशिका का डिजायर, एवरीथिंग इज सिटिंग हियर. But Namish is sitting here. Namish, Sanvi, Ashika, Naisha, Adya, everyone is sitting here, and the desires are sitting here. Okay, so jivas are sitting here, and the desires are sitting in this pradhan. Yeah. So when the creation happens, yeah, Krishna, Mahavishnu, he glances at Rama Devi and he transfers all the jivas to Rama Devi. Rama Devi eventually transfers all the jiva to Shambhu, and Shambhu then Rama Devi, she expands as Maya. Yeah, Maya Devi, yeah, Durga Devi. And then Shambhu impregnates Maya Devi. So Maya Devi is like our mother. Yeah. And Shambhu, what he does is, Shambhu जो हमारे desires है, सारी जब भी creation होता है तो शंभु ये सारी desires लेके, the soul and the desires then again comes together. And then, this Mahavishnu, he expands as Garbhodayakshi Vishnu. So Mahavishnu expands as millions and millions of Garbhodayakshi Vishnu. और गर्भोदयाक्षी विष्णु क्या करते हैं, जो सारे जीवास है उनको सारे जीवास को लेते हैं, यहाँ से लेते हैं सारे. he'll take a bunch of jivas and the desires and he will enter into this material universe. Okay, he will enter into this material universe. लेकिन अभी सारे अभी जैसे even if you have the soul cannot be active. Why the soul cannot be active? Any idea? अगर उसको बॉडी भी दे दिया तो भी सोल कैनॉट बी एक्टिव. व्हाई? हु इज मिसिंग?
Because there is no Paramatma.
बिकॉज देयर इज नो परमात्मा. अगर कृष्णा ही नहीं है तो हमें एनर्जी नहीं रहेगी. तो बिकॉज देयर इज नो परमात्मा, सो देन ऑल द आदि देवताज हियर, the Adi Devatas are there in this Karna ocean. So Adi Devatas they do invocation prayers कि कृष्णा प्लीज आओ, कृष्णा प्लीज आओ, कृष्णा प्लीज आओ, और क्रिएशन को शुरू करो. Then what happens? Then Krishna comes as Kshirodayakshi Vishnu, and the time starts. Tick, 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 right? Because we all have time. We have limited time on the earth. We are not going to stay till eternity. हम क्या हजारों साल रहेंगे? नहीं रहेंगे. हमारा time limited है. So when Krishna comes as Paramatma, when this creation happens, then the time starts. Okay, and then Garbhodayakshi Vishnu, he brings all the jivas. Krishna expands the Shirodayakshi Vishnu. He enters in the bodies of each jiva, and then a body is granted to all of us. अगर हम अच्छे कर्म करेंगे तो हमको अच्छी बॉडी मिलेगी, और बुरे कर्म करेंगे तो बुरी बुरी बॉडी मिलेगी. Yeah, and then secondary creation starts. So from the navel of Vishnu, who comes? Brahma comes, and then ब्रह्मा को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिया है कि ठीक है बेटा, अभी अभी आप अच्छे से क्रिएशन करो. लेकिन ब्रह्मा कहते हैं, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है क्या करने का. तो देन ही जस्ट वॉन्डरिंग इन द डार्क कि मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे क्या करना है, उसे तो पता ही नहीं है क्या करना है. So then, he enters into this lotus stem and he's just finding out what to do. He's entering into this lotus stem, and then it is very dark. And then a voice comes from this lotus stem, tap, tap, tap. So then he understands, oh, he has to do tapasya, he has to meditate. But meditate मतलब बस ऐसे नहीं बैठना है. Yeah, he has to serve Krishna. He has to, whatever way, he has to get into association, get into, doing devotional service to Krishna. And then he does devotional service to Krishna. Then, then Krishna gives intelligence to Brahma. Now you create. तो अभी आप ध्यान से सुनो, मैं अभी आपको कुछ बताने वाली हूँ. तो first creator is who? Vishnu. And the secondary creator is Brahma. When Krishna gives intelligence, Brahma creates all these 14 planetary systems. Okay. Now I have a choice that I can take all these 14 planetary systems now, or I can take it little later. But if it is too much bombarding on you, I will not take it today. What should we do?
Mataji, you can do it now only.
What should we do? और 15-20 मिनट्स तो आराम से लगेंगे ये करने के लिए. तो what should we do? क्योंकि घाई में करेंगे तो
Mataji, can we continue it tomorrow?
ठीक है, then we'll do that because I will give a good flavor now. I will ask you a few polls because ये ना अगर मैं घाई में करूंगी तो आपको समझेगा नहीं, because I want to cover all these 14 planetary systems and I want to cover this also. I want to cover this Bhumandal. Yeah, how does this Bhumandal look like? Yeah, I wanted to cover this Dhruva Loka, this planetary systems. I wanted to cover all this. Yeah, we see Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury. These things I want to cover. Who are these elephants? Who is this tortoise? What is the Sheshnag doing here?
Yes,
Yeah, then I
Mataji.
want, yeah, I wanted to
Mataji,
cover
will you
this
also
also.
explain
Yes.
Pitra Devatas?
Yes, Mataji.
Sorry?
Will you also explain Pitra Devatas?
Okay, Pitru I'll explain now today. Today I'll explain Pitru for you. And
Mataji,
I
I have
also
a
wanted to cover,
question.
we did not cover the Sadashiv Loka. So if you want, we will have one more session covering all this because एक घाई घाई में होगा नहीं.
Yes,
Okay,
Mataji.
so
Mataji.
Acha, one more thing. So Pitru Loka, I'll tell you where this Pitru Loka is. Okay, so you see this 14 planetary system. Yeah, you see सत्य लोका, तपलोका, जनलोका, मरलोका, भूरलोका पे हम लोग है. और ये सारे 14, these are all 14 planetary systems. These are lower planets, these are middle planets, and these are upper planets. Now below this 14 planetary system, there are 28 hells. Okay, there are 28 hells. We will cover one session on hells also. Okay, what type of hell? इतने सारे hells कैसे आ गए? Hell तो एक ही होना चाहिए. इतने सारे hells कैसे आ गए? Okay, so there are just 28 hells also. और उसके
Yes,
नीचे
Mataji.
पितृलोक है. उसके नीचे पितृलोक है. Just imagine, so Pitrulok is lower. So we have this. One second, let me share the shloka with you. One second, just hold on.
Okay, Mataji.
One second, let me.
Mataji, more how much time is the
Sorry,
session?
sorry.
Mataji, how much more time is the session?
5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah. Let me show you this. Okay, let me share both these things with you. 1 and 2. Yeah. See this. See, Krishna says here because you got Pitruloka and today's Sarva Pitri Amavasya. That is why I'm covering this topic now. Okay. See, Krishna says, Yanti Deva, Vritan Deva, Pitra, we had done this shloka, Pitra Nyanti Pitravataha, Bhutani Yanti Bhuteja, Yanti Mam Yajinopi Mam, Yanchi Mat Yajinopi Mam. Those who worship demigods will take birth with demigods. Yeah, those who worship ancestors will go to ancestors. Those who worship ghosts and spirits will take birth in among such beings, and those who worship me will come to me. Okay, that is what Krishna says. Now,
Mataji, the
today,
shloka was not visible. The
not visible.
Goloka chart was visible to us.
Yes,
Oh,
Mataji.
Yes,
Mataji.
okay. ठीक है.
Yes,
Now is it visible?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Mataji, now it is visible.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is shloka is 9.25, wherein Krishna says, those who worship demigods will take birth among the demigods. Those who worship ancestors are our pitru. Yeah. Those our fathers, our grandfathers and great grandfathers and all. Okay. Ancestors will go to ancestors abode, which is Pitraloka. Those who worship ghosts and spirits will take birth among ghosts and spirits, and those who worship me will come to Goloka. Okay. Now let's go to our Goloka chart. Yeah. Now, of course, we should do offerings to our pitras because our pitras are sitting somewhere here. Okay, below the 28 hells. Okay, and when we do offering to pitras, our pitras get the offering to pitras is basically indirectly offering to Vishnu, offering to Krishna. जब भी हम लोग पितृदान करते हैं, all our ancestors who have whatever unfortunately landed in that pitraloka will get the benefit, and then they will come above these planets. Above this, even hell is fine, even this lower planets is fine, but Pitra is below that. Okay, so we should always do offering to Vishnu, praying for our ancestors that let our ancestors get a better destination. Okay, so this is about because today is
Mataji,
Sarva
we
Pitri
offer
Amavasya.
Pinda.
Yeah, of course, but that offering is done to Vishnu because eventually Vishnu is only going to take them to higher planets. Okay. So that is why we should do an
Mataji, we
offering to
have to
Vishnu.
keep faith in Vishnu Krishna that they will deliver it to the Pitru.
Yeah, of course. So that is how we pray for them, no? So we should have faith and we should pray to Vishnu. We should pray to Krishna that please, whoever my ancestors are there, I do not know who my ancestors were. Yeah, उनको तो कुछ हमारे बस दादाजी नाना जी का ही या उनका ही मतलब of course they are there, लेकिन उनके ऊपर हमको किसी का नाम भी पता नहीं होता है. But still, they have a big role to play in our life, which we don't realize. But everything is happening through Krishna. So we will also pass everything through Krishna. Okay. So we pray to Krishna that they get a good destination in their next life. Okay. So today is Sarvapitri Amavasya. You can do Annadan, you can feed sadhus. Yeah. So if you see, I don't know, many of you would have received So ISKCON Bhiwandi also does a lot of Annadan. Yeah, so you can also do a lot of Annadan. Yeah, but by donating, if you are not doing Pitradan, at least you can donate to the temple, and the temple does Annadan. That also you can do. Okay. So do something for the Pitras. Okay. Okay. So we will end our class here. Like, why don't we chant that shloka? Come on, let's chant that shloka, and then we end the class. Okay, let us chant the shloka, and then we end the class. Okay. Because Swara bought this top Pitra, then might as well we do it. Come on, everyone. Yanti Deva Vritan Deva
Yanti
Deva
Deva
Vritam Deva
Pitran Yanti Pitravritaha
Yanti
Pitran Yanti Pitravritaha Bhutani Yanti Bhuteja Yanti Madhyajino Yanti Madhyajinopi Mam Yanti Madhyajinopi Mam. Yeah, so it is very important whom we worship. If we worship demigods, we'll go to Swargaloka. If we worship Pitras, then we'll go to Pitriloka. If we worship ghosts, yeah, many of you just planchet and all that, right? Many of times, black magic and all that. If we worship ghosts, we'll go to the ghostly planets. But Krishna is saying, if you worship me,
but we offer Pinda to Vishnu, so will we go to the ancestors if we do that?
No, we are not saying this. Sometimes what happens is that we are so much attached to our Pitras, only we think about them. Yeah. Because we're very attached to them. Many times, say my mother left the body, and I'm so much attached to my mother that I'm only thinking about my mother. And I just want to be with my mother. So there are many people who do that. And if you're only thinking then for three, what do you say? Three not 3 lifetimes, लेकिन तीन पीढ़ी तीन the 3 पीढ़ी को क्या कहते हैं पता नहीं इंग्लिश में वो they are staying there. So then generations, yes. Yeah, so there's the 3 generations are staying there.
Mataji, class and
Okay, so now everyone can recite one by one. You all can recite the shloka, and then you can leave the class.